The 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is one of the most in-demand performance cars in the world right now, and for good reason. Not only does it offer all the driving thrills you'd expect from a high-end 911, it's also fast enough to outperform pretty much any other production car on the market. Is it, however, worth over $400,000? This particular GT2 RS, listed for sale on James Edition in France, has an asking price of $428,304, a cool $104,000 more than the supercar's European starting price. That's a lot of money, especially when you consider that this RS doesn't have the desirable hatch performance package. Despite the hefty premium, we can imagine some prospective buyers being interested in this GT2 RS purely due to its stunning exterior spec. Most of the exterior is painted Miami blue while the front splitter, side skirts, rear bumper, and rear wing uprights are painted matte black. The car also features exposed carbon fiber on the hood, rear wing and the large air intakes directly feeding the twin-turbocharged engine. Tying everything together are matte black wheels and bright yellow brake calipers. If you like colorful Porsches, it'll make you weak at the knees. The interior is just as special as the exterior. There's blue seatbelts, blue air vents, blue trimmings on the dashboard, black leather and Alcantara, carbon fiber everywhere, even a yellow center stripe on the steering wheel. A quick look at the classifieds show that many 2018 GT2 RS models are being sold for over $500,000. So, perhaps this isn't a bad deal after all.